Hello everyone, this is Rosalind. Today I would like to introduce our company, Yinghe. With over 23 years of experience, our company is a trusted supplier of electronic instruments based in China. We support global distribution through more than 140 overseas warehouses, ensuring fast and reliable delivery. That's why many customers all over the world trust our company, and we have helped many clients grow their businesses successfully. Now, let me introduce one of our most popular products, W902 Embroidery Machine. It comes with 2 heads and 9 needles each, and runs on the user-friendly wisdom system. The doll-house system is also available as an optional choice. It offers a flat embroidery area of 400 by 500 millimeters, and for cap embroidery, the field is 75 by 150 millimeters. The machine also supports circular embroidery frames in diameters of 90 millimeters and 120 millimeters, 150 millimeters, and 200 millimeters, as well as a 290 by 290 millimeters frame. Now you can take a look at how it performs, whether it's t-shirt embroidery, flat embroidery, or cap embroidery. If you are interested in our products, don't hesitate to contact me. We are here to help.